Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add an outline in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's jump right into the video. So we don't waste any second and you learn things. So you're going to learn this, how you can do this fast. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. I'm going to just click on this color page and then just right click and add, just add the alpha output here. And then just connect the alpha output and to this, but now let's after you connect it, you have to click on this here, and then we click on this and just do this very simply. And then if you click on that, now this is what you should have. So if you click now on this icon right over here, now we can increase here the green, black, so we can remove, as you can see, the green, clean white, in and out ratio, and yeah, just play with the settings here. And then we go to edit page, we right click and create a new compound clip, and then you right click and click on open in Fusion page. And now here we have this, and what we have to do is just to shift plus space and add an arrow, dilate node, connect it. We have to connect it, so we need to connect it to the inputs, right? And then we have a background, and then we connect the output to the background here, background, the effect mask. And then here we just grab this and drag it over here so we can create automatically a merge. And then here you can simply add some first we didn't go here, and then just increase the color and go here and just change the color, right? And if you go Control D, you change the output because it was put the wrong way apparently. So this one, the background should be here, and the green, the foreground, should be here. So just Control D. This will swap the inputs here. And now it works just fine. With background here, we change the color. I like this green. And now if we go in the edit page here, we can go maybe to solid color and put it here, and then change the color here to something like this maybe. And we have this, and the green screen, not the green screen, sorry, the outline will follow the object you have there. As you can see, it follows without any problems. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.